In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to a photo in Google Photos. This is a quick way to keep your memories organized and make them easier to find later. Descriptions act like captions or notes that help you remember the story behind a picture, and they can also improve search results when you're looking for specific images. First, open Google Photos on your device. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your photo library laid out in a grid. If you use albums, you can head into one of those, or simply stay in the main library view. The important thing is to pick the image you want to add context to. Next, tap to open the photo. Once it's fully open, look toward the top or bottom of your screen for the More menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots. Tap More, then choose About. This opens the information panel for the photo, where you can see details like the date, location data if available, and other technical info. In that panel, you'll find an option labeled Add Description. Go ahead and tap Add Description. A text field will appear, ready for you to type. This is where you can add any helpful information. Who's in the photo, what's happening, the event or location, or anything that will help future you quickly identify it. For example, instead of just writing birthday, you might write family birthday dinner at the Italian restaurant, chocolate cake, April 2023. The more specific and natural the wording, the better it will perform in search, and the easier it will be to remember why the photo matters. When you're happy with what you've written, tap Done. That saves your description to the photo. If you're connected to the internet and have backup turned on, this update will sync across your devices that use the same account, so you'll see it on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you're offline, it will save locally and update when you reconnect. That's it. You've added a description without changing the image itself. If you ever want to revise what you wrote, just return to the same spot, update the text, and tap Done again. Keep in mind that descriptions can be visible to people you share the photo with, so only include details you're comfortable sharing. By adding short, meaningful descriptions as you go, you'll build a smarter, more searchable photo library that's easier to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your memories clear, organized, and easy to find.